Today's video I'll be showing you my game, a QBASIC game that I've made recently. So guys, if you want this game to be downloaded on your PC and you want to play this game name is 5 Soccer, in which you have 5 versus 5 football game between Italy and France. So these are my commands. You can also download this by clicking on the link in the description box below. Please check it out. So guys, if you want me to show how many commands does it needed, so it took me about 1339 commands to make this QBasic game. This game name is 5 Soccer, as I recently said you. So guys, now what you're gonna do is, if you want to check if this game actually work, please don't mind that this game has been not mine, because this game is my only. I created it recently, and you can see here also official Ankit is my name. So I'll be showing you the proof by clicking on F5. There's the game. You can also listen the song. It says official Ankit presents 5 Soccer. Press space for start. I'll click on space. Match number 1, Italy versus France. I'll be playing. Yes, I've secured a goal. Now let's start. Yes, it's been goal. So guys, if you do enjoyed watching my video, please subscribe, like and share my video. I'll be showing you many interesting videos if you subscribe to my channel. So guys, thank you for watching this series. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want this game to be downloaded on a PC, it's link in the description box below. Check it out.